What's up, y'all? As you can see, I'm getting right into this video. I'm showing you what I'm using: my Cantu coconut curling cream, some natural shea butter, water, and my Denman brush. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my braid out, twist out, and what I'm going to start off doing is section my hair off into several different sections. So I start off by getting some shea butter, running that shea butter through my hair, and then I start braiding. And when I get toward the end, I spray the ends of my hair with water, and then I grab some of that Cantu coconut curling cream, and then I run my Denman brush through the ends of my hair. And I do this to try to define my curls, and on top of that, or right after I'm done adding the curling cream, I'll add some more shea butter because that kind of gets my curls popping. After that, I do not braid anymore. I actually start twisting at this point. And I do that throughout my whole head. Once my entire head is braided, I grab a bottle of my mixed oil. This is a color applicator bottle that I'm grabbing to squeeze the oil through all of my braids, and then also applying that oil onto my scalp. When I'm done with that, I tie my hair. Usually I let it air dry until I'm about to go to bed, but for the sake of the video and wanting for you guys to see each step that I take, maybe 24 hours later, I unbraid my hair. Now that all my braids are down, what I'm gonna do is fluff my hair with my fingers, just basically giving myself a quick scalp massage. Now, this is the secret. The more defined you want your curls to be, or at least for me, the more defined I want my curls to be, the longer I keep my braids in. So if I keep my braids in for about 48 hours, my curls will be popping, but I'll experience some shrinkage. So I try not to let my hair or let my braids sit for more than 48 hours, but definitely at least for 24. I'm going to separate my hair where my hair wants to just naturally separate so that I can avoid as much frizziness as possible, and you'll see what I mean as you continue to watch this video. Now when I'm done separating, I get a wide tooth comb and I fluff my roots. I do this because I want more volume in my fro. So yeah, it takes me a little while to get to a volume that I desire.
Okay, now we're good.
Sometimes I will wear my hair with a middle part, but today I wanted to wear it in my face. So in order to keep my hair in my face but sort of out of my eyes so that I can see, I have to pin it back a little bit. So I grab a few bobby pins just to pin it back, and this is the complete look. I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Be sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys really soon.
This looks good.